Air conditioning, 4 tips to troubleshoot your air conditioning unit during a warm and humid day. The last thing you want is to see your air conditioning unit breaks down. If the unit does break down suddenly, there are actually a few ways that you can troubleshoot and fix the problems yourself. In this article, let me share with you 4 tips to troubleshoot your air conditioning unit and make it work again. 1. Make sure that the controller is correctly used. If it is used incorrectly, the air conditioning unit will not function properly. This is the first thing that you should check if your unit breaks down. Check the setting and make sure that everything is set up correctly. If you are not familiar with the controller, read the operation manual to find out how to set it. 2. Examine the compressor for any sign of damage. The compressor is another important part of your air conditioning unit. If it fails, the whole unit fails. So the next thing you should check is the compressor and make sure that there is no damage. Also, you should look for ice buildup around the compressor too. If there are damage and ice buildup, it is time to ask a professional contractor to replace the compressor for you. 3. Simply reset the main power of the unit. Sometimes you can fix the problem by simply resetting the power. To reset the main power, just go to the meter box and turn the unit off and on again. 4. Clean the filters regularly. If you want your unit to last longer, you must clean the filters regularly. Cleaning filters should be an ongoing maintenance and you should perform it at least once a month. It gives you fresher air and extends the lifespan of your unit. These are some simple tips to troubleshoot your air conditioning unit and I hope you have absorbed them well. If you are still unable to fix the problem using these tips, call your contractor to come down and take a look. A professional contractor should be able to detect the problem and recommend the necessary actions to take. It is important to work with a contractor that you can trust. So do not look for a contractor only when your unit breaks down. In fact, you should look for a reliable contractor now so that they are always ready for quick repairs or replacements. To look for a list of contractors, just do a search on Google. You should be able to find a list of contractors in your area. To seek professional aircon services, visit http://www.aircoolercon.com now. Feel free to publish this article on your website, or send it to your friends, as long as you keep the resource box and the content of the article intact. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/cho_u_yuan/40743